Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, February 24th, 2025. Let's take a look. What do we have in the economic calendar for today? Please remember, today is the last week of the month. Particular Friday is the monthly close and weekly close. So, very interesting times. Asian session, almost non-event session, so nothing interesting to report here. We got data from Germany, German business expectations, current assessment, and IFO business climate index data. All of them are scheduled for this at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, we got data from Poland, unemployment rate, and retail sales. CPI data from the Eurozone are the most important data release for today. They will take place at 11 a.m. At the same time, German Buba Balz will give a speech, and then CBI industrial trends orders from the UK are scheduled for release. 2:15, we got MPC member Ramsden to give a speech, and 2-year note auction at 7 o'clock is the only event during the US session. So, what do we see here is a pretty easy day. Only one very important data release, CPI from the Eurozone, so it will greatly affect the euro-dollar pair. So, without any further ado, let's take a look what's the technical situation on euro-dollar. The 4-hour chart scenario on the euro-dollar work as a charm. Please take a look at this. First off, we got our supply zone placed here many days ago, and look at this candle here. Let me just zoom in here. Let me just do this and zoom in. Look at that. Perfect rejection of the supply zone. Big candle to the upside for our candle. Big for our rejection of our supply zone. There you go. Look at this. Exactly inside the supply zone. Okay, so we know there is a kind of a pin bar-ish, doji-ish bar on a 4-hour chart, more pin bar-ish than doji-ish, and then confirmation is taking place right now. Big red candle is being produced here. We can see the market is moving lower right now. So 1.0521, 1.0536 is still the technical zone called supply zone. Wave A to the upside is still in progress. However, because this high is higher than the previous wave C, we might see something like that. The top for the wave A can be here. We're still waiting for the top for the wave B, for the bottom for the wave B, and then for the top for the wave C, as we develop some sort of the complex technical correction. Now we extend our line. This golden orange line is our lower channel line. Okay, so maybe some kind of a reaction might be here. Now where is the support? So immediate technical support comes, let me just take my magnet, there you go. Immediate technical support comes with the level of 1.0450, and there is one more at the bottom of the wave X, and the bottom of the wave X is located at the level of 1.0401. So those are the support. We should see some kind of a reaction if our scenario is okay. We should see some kind of a reaction here from bulls, and then upside movement. Please notice that our scenario ABC X ABC gets invalidated if we break below the low of the wave X 1.0401 only. All right, so this is the outlook for the euro dollar. British pound inside of the channel made as well a local high 1.2689, and then reversed lower, is about to test the technical support at 1.2336. Momentum hit the extremely overbought conditions, now reversed lower, currently on the 56 points. So the momentum is still positive, but it's not very strong. So when we break, if we break below the level of 1.2635. Then the next target might be the lows from the February 19th, 1.2562, and then eventually the level of 1.2545. Please notice that we are not that far away from the 50% Fibonacci retracement at the level of 1.2755. This is the big Fibonacci retracement of the whole previous downside swing. You can see it on the daily time frame chart. For now, we should witness some sort of the pullback on cable. US dollar versus the Japanese yen. What is going on here? I think it will be better to go to the daily time frame chart, because we can clearly see the key technical support, which was made after the December 3rd low, was made as well. 148.66 is now being tested. So we are only like 20 pips away. 20 pips. Yes, we are 20 pips away from this level, and it all depends on the market response right now. We are below trend line, below 100 periods moving average, below local technical resistance, below lower swing high. Now we're testing the support with negative momentum, but some sort of the bullish divergence is getting it's being developed here. We got this low, we got that low, which is lower low, we got this low, we got higher low, but this is just a first clue that the bullish divergence is being developed. We need to see nice, strong bullish reversal to the upside, or at least pullback on the USD to the Japanese yen, in order to say that this bullish divergence works, and the market is getting some pullback from the level of 32 points only on RSI, on a daily time frame chart RSI, which means pretty oversold market conditions on a daily time frame chart. So very important level to keep an eye on, basically, US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's take a look then on one more market, which is the gold market. And the reason we took a look at the gold market is because this is secular uptrend on this gold market. The recent swing high was made at the level of 2,954, but that's only a swing high. It looks like the market wants to break way above this level. Local technical support 2,918 might work for quite some time. Right now we are consolidating the recent gains. Okay, short-term key technical support, all right, roughly around this level here. Okay, roughly around this level here, 2,885, and we might say that there is some zone here, 2,876, 2,886, and that's about it. Occasional plunge towards 2,863. So very nice levels here, as long as we trade above these levels, and as you can see, above the 100 periods moving average. This is 4-hour time frame chart. The outlook remains bullish for gold. So momentum, well, momentum bounced from the level of 50, so the market is ready to move higher right now. Last but not least is Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin, as you can see, likes our trend line very much. Just recently, there you go, we got a movement towards the local swing high at 98,792. We broke above it, just slightly broke above it. Nice candle to the upside. 99,432 was the high, and then big reversal to the downside, bearish engulfing pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart into the test of the and false breakout, apparently in false breakout of the 4-hour time frame chart trend line, descending trend line, reversal beyond 100 periods moving average, and now we tested the 100 periods moving average on the way back, on the pullback. Now we are trading close to this local lows. Please be aware of the possibility of a breakout lower below 94,000. 843. So that's a local technical support. It might be clearly violated very, very soon. Momentum is, as you can see, big reversal from extremely overbought conditions, back straight on below the level of 50. Now we tested the level of over 50 again. 48.44 was the highest level, and now we are back towards the level of 40. Still some room to the downside is present here. There is still some room to the downside here before we will hit the level of 91,160, but of course there are some technical supports that might get this movement to the downside a little bit difficult. However, it's still possible. So due to the rejection of the trend line, due to the breakout below the 100 periods moving average, the outlook for the Bitcoin remains bearish, but there is no trigger made yet above the key technical resistance. As you can see, big thick red line, or technical support, the key technical support, big thick fat green line, of course. So we are still trading inside of this range between the major technical support and the major technical resistance. We await the fundamental breakout, fundamental trigger to fundamental news, fundamental data to trigger the breakout either to the downside or to the upside. Please notice the long-term trend on Bitcoin is still up. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.